Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing, and today we're gonna open up a Moment product, and it is our Moment thin case for iPhone 11 Indigo Blue. Reason why I picked this one though, it is because right here, this is the iPhone 7 Plus for the Moment photo case. Excellent material. However, as you can tell, the mounts for the lens, it is really chipped off, and there's one time when I'm trying to put it on, I almost dropped my favorite 18mm lens. I'll make a video about it later on. Full metal quality lens, so highly recommend it. But it's time for upgrade, because which means if the mount is broken, you have to get a whole brand new case. So reason I got this one, because I can sell, this is actually the highlight, removable M series lens interface to connect any M series Moment lens and various others. So let's take a look. So I'm gonna open it up. We got a first piece. If you don't need it for your lens, you can just mount it right here. Let's peel this off, put that aside. Oh, let's actually look in the back first. So let's get started. Number one, attach and spiral case, and also compost. So good job, Moment. Let's put that aside now. And this is the Moment, no pun intended, I've been waiting for. Let's take a closer look right here. We designed this case with a drop-in lens mount. This is allowed to replace the mounts if damaged, so that's awesome, and remove a mount for a different look. So that's what this piece for. So let's peel to remove. What I read from other articles and also YouTubers, they actually been complaining at the previous generation that the thin case was actually when they attach lens on it and twist it, let's say take off and put it on, it actually move the whole mount. So hopefully that won't happen, because we're going to do a test right now and see what's gonna like. So right here, after you mount it, you click onto it, make sure it's nice and tug. You don't want any moving parts. So once that's like that, so it's awesome. Now we got the iPhone 11 right here for samples, so let's snap it on, and just like wow. Let's take a closer look. I honestly like the indigo blue, because you can tell how nice the color is, and also the lighting. So let's aim, put it in. So no moving part, so that's really good. You can tell no clicky clack, still steady. And of course, let's see, take a look and see if the mounts will be moved. Nothing. Definitely love the texture. It's more like rubbery, so get a nice grip. And also they have the lips around it, so if you were to drop it, it will actually give you some kind of protection. But of course, if you really need to put a screen protector, then you'll be fine. But honestly, let's actually take a look on what's it like to have this mount instead. That's actually tight and flush. Let's put the phone on. Look at that. Pretty nice. Ooh, really nice and deep. So the lens, because you can tell these two lenses are protruding, but with the regular lens mounts, it's not. So pretty good. So overall, I think Moment got the right about this thin case, because really nice texture, also provides you somewhat of a protection. But I think definitely the highlight though is comparing to what I have for the iPhone 7 Plus, the broken lens mount. So it's a bit of a problem there if you were to use your lens or not, because you'd be like put on, take it off, put on, take it off repeatedly. But then they came with a solution, removable lens mount. So that is a really big plus. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. This has been the unboxing for Moment thin case iPhone 11 Indigo Blue. If you have any questions or concern, then feel free to drop it in the comment below, and I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Bye bye.